Hello, my mathematicians. Today we are looking at Module 17, Lesson 7, which is all about writing zeros and the dividend. By the end of this lesson, hopefully you'll be able to find a quotient by writing a zero in the dividend. So step it out. Charlie weighs 4 cantaloupe melons. They each weigh the same amount. How much does each cantaloupe weigh? Write a division expression to model the situation. So we have 176 and 6/10 divided by 4. So we're going to estimate the quotient. So we look at 4, a multiple of 17, or multiple of 4 that's close to 17 would be 16. So 160 divided by 4 would be 40. So it's going to be somewhere around there. So it says divide 176 and 6/10 by 4. So we look. We have 4 goes into 1. Nope. But 4 does go into 17 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. So we subtract, we get 1. We bring down our 6. 4 goes into 16 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. We subtract, we get 0. We bring down our 6. 4 goes into 6 1 time. 1 times 4 is 4. We get 2. Now this is where we ran out of numbers, but we can't have a remainder with a decimal, so we're going to add a 0. We're going to bring that down. We get 20, so 4 goes into 20 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. We subtract, we get 0. Then we bring our decimal point straight up. So how much does the cantaloupe weigh? Well, it weighs 44 and 15/100 ounces. Okay, so Kelly wants to buy 70 ounces of almonds. Each bag can hold 31 and 2/10 ounces. How many bags of almonds does Kelly buy? Write a division problem. Well, she wants 78 ounces. We're dividing by 31 and 2/10. So now rewrite the division so the divisor is a whole number. Explain how you can do this. Well, my divisor has a 10. I need to multiply by 10 in order to make that a whole number. So I'm going to multiply both the divisor and the numerator by 10. So I'm going to get 780 divided by 312. So we're going to start here, 780, 312. So 312 doesn't go into 7, it doesn't go into 78, but it will go into 780 2 times. 312 times 2, we get 4, 2, 6. So we get 624. Becomes 7, we get 6. We get 5, and we get 1. Then we have to add a decimal point and a 0 because we need to keep going. So you bring down the 0. So 312, 5/16 is going to go into that 5 times. So 312 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6, and then 15. So we got 1,560. 0. Bring up our decimal point. So she's going to need 2 and 5/10 bags. And that is all for today's lesson. Hopefully you are now able to find a quotient by writing a 0 in the dividend. And remember, in order to be a math person, all you have to do is be a person and do math.